What to do, what happening, what cracking. Thank y'all for tuning back into the Honest channel. So today, the van speedometer has been wonky, y'all. So I've been looking to figure out how can I fix this? What can I do to fix this? And instead of just throwing parts at it, I just pretty much went to Google and I was like, well, hey, shit, let's see. Let me type in the Google search engine. Let's see if anything comes up. So what came up was you hold down this reset button, which is when I turn the camera on, y'all seen all of the stuff, you know, resetting itself. This right here is your trip reset button if you have a O2 Town & Country. So what I'm about to do is, because it looks like it recirculated, as y'all seen when I turn the camera on. Let's see if it does anything when we drive off, ladies and gentlemen. And now I've developed a squeak. I'm not sure if it's just the power steering pulley or if it's the pump. But there's not a hard turn, so it can't really be the pump. It got to be something as simple as either that reservoir or the pulley. But let's see if it works, y'all. It does. We back in goddamn business. If I would have knew that, I could have been did that shit. Hey, but thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click it to all so you don't miss none of my content. Y'all know I drop jewels, so I'm always giving you some information you can use. And I'm always doing shit that you is capable of doing. Thank you for tuning in. Fuck with me.